It's spring giveaway here at Truck Ranch. Come on into Truck Ranch this spring for your chance to win $5,000 in accessories. Yes, we are giving away $5,000 in lift kits, level kits, tires, wheels, bed liners, bed covers, and more. Every qualifying test drive gets you 1 entry to win. Leave us a 5-star review and receive 2 entries to win. Purchase a truck from Truck Ranch this spring and receive 5 entries to win. Winner to be announced May 28th.
Yeah, I'm talking about his truck, his dash, the county on his tag, the songs on his radio, stickers on his glass, 4 buys, 2 buys.
Remember, at Truck Ranch, you're always going to receive better service, better prices, better trucks.